click the like, click the subscribe, and click the notification button to follow my channel. Yeah, guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. A quick one. I still need to give you a more explanation about this platform, guys. It's not that complex for you to know how to use it, but it's an advanced trading system, guys. And this is their desktop app. You can actually download this through your browser, your Chrome browser, and you can access it directly from there, guys. So there are two ways to access it. Once it gets downloaded on your system or on your mobile phone, you can just click on it and open it, guys, directly, and you still need to log in. But if you don't want to do that, you want to log in through your Chrome, just come here, guys. Come to these three dots, scroll down, click on open the Qubits app. So directly it will log you into your account. So this is my account, guys, and I want to initiate a trade now, guys. So this cube below, the second direction here after home is cube. So click on cube, click on this icon that has a plus. That means you want to add a new trade, guys. So I'm going to select the second one, which I own. So let me show you where you can see your robot, guys. So you come down here, go to Cube Shop to see the robot you own. So I own, I've used from 34, I've used um 7 robots that I owned, guys, for this 12 hours trade. I've done 12 hours trade for going to 4 days consecutive trading, guys. So this is the number of robot I own to trade 12 hours. For each 12 hours I trade one robot. One of these Dino Flex robots will be used, and once it is used and the trade has been completed, it's going to be immediately I trade with it, it's going to deduct one from these, guys. So that's why you need to buy, or someone needs to gift you, and when you own it, you use it here, guys. So buy, you must have USDT to buy it. So I have USDT here. If I want to buy, I can buy. So now also, if you want to give someone, you can give someone if you have. So if you want to use directly, it will take you to this page where I showed you initially. So you can actually go through that this shop to use your robot. So the one for 24 hours, like I told you in my last video, you cannot trade with it with USDT below 100. You need a minimum of 100, from 100 USDT upward. You need from 100 USDT, guys, to trade a 24 hours robot, to use the 24 hours robot, guys. So now let me just show you from here. You can click use. So once I use, just note that I have 27 here. So once I start a trade, it will reduce to 26. Let me just, so use, guys, I've selected this cube already. You can see it's selected already. Okay, sorry guys, let me go back there. So once I click use, automatically I'm on 12 hours trade. You can see duration is 12 hours. 12 hours, guys. So I'm going to use all my funds. I clicked all to trade. So I'm going to select server. So the server here, I'm going to go to where you can upgrade your server. I'm still on the GS04. You need to, the mine cube, that's the Rubik's cubes coin token, is the one you mine in your account, and it can be used to do your upgrade of server. So this is the server I'm using. This is the code for the trade that I'm going to use. So let me create this now. So success, guys, we are on creating the robot now. We are creating the robot. that is going to trade for 12 hours. And creating this also is going to attract a commission, a charge for the trade. It's going to be deducted. Just notice this, that not all these amounts will be reflected. A commission will be deducted from this for the trade you are going to do here. So the company is actually making a different source of income from the commission straight to. So let me show you this 34.18. Let's see the base currency. The base currency again is Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is doing well. You can see it's 34.18 here, guys. So if so this is the amount that came in. So this time around, I'm looking at it at maybe because I've been trading consecutively, so it didn't deduct that. But sometimes it do deduct that. Or after the trade is completed, you see the breakdown of what you traded with. So you can see Binance is among the coin chose. So this also, you can see very good coin, Digit Byte. So so going back to how you're going to mine. So come to your account here. The Rubik Cube is used for server. So like the server I'm talking about is this now, guys. So this server you can upgrade with this coin that I've mined, but the minimum amount to upgrade to the next server is this, because this first server is free for everyone to own. But if you want to upgrade server, you need to have this particular token that you are mining, or the ones that you've gotten from gift. There are some gifts, like your activities in trade can also, if the more you trade, you'll be gifted this particular Rubik Cube, guys. So now if you are going to upgrade this, the reason for this is that it reduces the timing of your trade completion. Maybe your trade was meant to go for 12 hours. One of the server can be fast enough to stop it 30 minutes even before the normal time of your 12 hours. It will stop 30 minutes ahead. So let me show you where you can see that when you want to start a trade. Just I can trade multiple trades. I can do a 12 hours trade and a 24 hours trade simultaneously, guys. So what I mean is that this is the server, guys. Okay, let me select the cube. So you can do multiple trading with this platform. So let me choose. Okay, so you can see the next server that I can upgrade to will reduce my timing by 30 minutes. You can see, so 30 minutes before the 12 hours completion comes, this trade can be completed. And you can see it's showing more of green than this that is free, that is showing red and yellow. Please don't be confused. The result gotten from these robots are virtually the same. It doesn't depict the fact that this particular server will earn you more percentage. No, it's just the time of completion that differs, guys, so that you can quickly start the next trade. So this will reduce it by 60 minutes. That means if you upgrade to this particular server, if you are meant to trade for like 12 hours, that means it's going to reduce it to 11 hours trade, and it will complete and give you that same percentage that you get from the trade. This as well will also reduce by 90 minutes. That means it's going to reduce by 1 hour 30 minutes. That means instead of trading for 12 hours, you're going to trade for 10 hours 30 minutes, guys. So it will also give you same percentage of return that you're going to get from this other server, guys. So that's the explanation for this about the server. So any other thing I'm going to be telling you guys is okay, let me show you. There's a particular thing I need to show those people that likes referral thing. Referral is not compulsory. Is actually not a must for you to recruit, But if you want to grow in your rank, there's a rank here in this platform. If you want to grow in your rank, you can actually grow to a certain level where you have a benefit of earning from your team commission to a certain level of income. Like now, let me show you an example. If you want to access this referral, now I'm on bronze agent, guys. So this information is for you to, you know, get an update of how you are going in your to your next level, what progress you are making. Now I have someone trading at the moment, so that means I have an active trader. So if I have like 3 active trader, it's going to move me forward to the next stage, to the next level. So now if you want to claim your referral income, I can only earn now from my level 1 because I only have one active level 1. So I've claimed my referral bonus, which starts from, let me show you where you can actually get that again. You can come here to your invite and also access your number of referrals. So like I told you, I have just one person active for now. So now if you want to check the income you are going to make, so as a bronze member, I'm only entitled to earning 10%. So I'm only entitled to earning from my level 1, guys. I can only see my level 1 team, which is also a good strategy to actually help the system to be sustainable, because if you restrict other levels earning, is still a good way to sustain the referral commissions, because everybody can't be earning all the level at the same time. So it will now depend on each person's effort that you are putting to get your referral members to join you and be active in trading. So if I go to my next level, which is silver, I'm going to earn 11%, and I'm going to earn directly 9% for my level 2 as well. So now if I also move to the next level, which is the gold level, I'm going to increase my direct earning, that's my level 1 earning, to 12%, and I'm going to get 10% on my level 2 as a gold achiever, and I'm going to earn at the third level, which is level 3. I'm going to earn 6%, guys. This was recently increased from 5%. The news was shared on the official channel, the YouTube channel, and the Telegram channel with their Twitter handle as well. So the next level, which is the highest, is the diamond level, which will make you earn across board. I'll earn 12%, I'll earn 10%, and I'm going to earn 6%. So this is on the last level, which is level 4. I'm going to enter my level 4 1%, and I believe this is a way to regulate the commission that members will be earning from this platform, and it's a way of helping the system to have more robust money that is being reserved, instead of people earning free commissions just like that, without making any without making a unique effort, different effort or additional effort to attain this highest level of trade reward as a rank. So you can see the explanation here for all the from around the world to join the earn money through the Qubit strategy. Qubit collects 30% service fee from your friends' profit. So they also still collect 30% from your friends' commission. So profit, that from the profit they made, and you will continuously receive 10 to 12%. So out of this 30%, they collect from your team's trade that they earn as their profit, that you also earn. You'll be giving 10% from this 30%, or 12% from this 30%, which they'll still be left with they'll still be left with 18%, so, or 20%. And even with 18 and 20% is still a very good return for the organization, for the platform, for the system to be robust with fundings, guys. So this is a very, very unique system that they've built, and I'm glad this system has come to stay. Like the commission here, let's look down. For example, if you invite friends and on $100 daily through Cube strategy, you will earn, that's 10% to 12%. That's $10 or $12 in commission each day. As your network expand, your potential income significantly expand. So you can also copy your referral link here or send your code here after they click on the website and they want to register. You can send code, either of the two, guys. So you can check your reward received. This is the way I navigated it. You can click here and to check your reward received, guys. So for now, I'm still in a bronze agent, only earning from 10% from my level 1. So once I move to the next level, which is silver, I'll be earning from my level 2 as well, guys, which is 8%, guys. So let me just show you again. So which is 9%, so to say, guys, which is 9% on the silver level. So guys, let me stop my video here. I think I've done most of the explanation on this. So see you next time on my next video, guys.